In the world of gardening and plant care, enthusiasts are constantly seeking eco-friendly and effective solutions to nurture their green companions. One such hidden gem in the realm of plant care is hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. While commonly known for its antiseptic properties, hydrogen peroxide can also work wonders when applied to plants. This video explores the diverse benefits of hydrogen peroxide on plants, shedding light on its role as a versatile and environmentally friendly aid in gardening. 1. Enhanced oxygenation. Hydrogen peroxide is composed of water and oxygen molecules, H2O2. When applied to the soil, it breaks down into water and releases an extra oxygen molecule, enriching the soil with oxygen. Increased oxygen levels in the soil promote better root development and overall plant growth. This oxygenation process also creates a hostile environment for harmful bacteria, fungi, and pathogens that may hinder plant health. 2. Root system stimulation. The extra oxygen provided by hydrogen peroxide encourages the development of a robust and healthy root system. A well-established root system allows plants to absorb nutrients more efficiently, leading to stronger and more resilient plants. This is particularly beneficial for young seedlings or plants that have experienced stress. 3. Disease prevention. Hydrogen peroxide exhibits antimicrobial properties, making it an effective tool in preventing various plant diseases. It helps control fungal infections and bacterial issues in the soil, reducing the risk of diseases such as root rot and damping off. Regular application can act as a preventive measure, protecting plants from common pathogens that thrive in damp conditions. 4. Improved nutrient uptake. Healthy plants require a balanced intake of nutrients from the soil. Hydrogen peroxide facilitates nutrient absorption by promoting the breakdown of organic matter in the soil. This not only releases essential nutrients but also enhances their availability for the plants. As a result, plants are better equipped to access the nutrients they need for optimal growth and development. 5. Foliar treatment. Hydrogen peroxide can be diluted and used as a foliar spray, providing an additional layer of protection against diseases and pests. When sprayed on leaves, it acts as a gentle antifungal agent, preventing the development of mold and mildew. Moreover, foliar application can stimulate the plant's natural defenses, making it more resistant to pest attacks. 6. Soil aeration. Compacted soil can hinder the movement of water, air, and nutrients. Hydrogen peroxide helps to aerate the soil by breaking down compacted layers, allowing for better water drainage and nutrient circulation. Improved soil structure promotes healthier plants and reduces the risk of waterlogged conditions that can lead to root diseases. Incorporating hydrogen peroxide into your plant care routine can provide a range of benefits, from enhancing oxygenation and promoting robust root systems to preventing diseases and improving nutrient uptake. As with any gardening practice, it's important to use hydrogen peroxide in moderation and follow recommended dilution ratios to avoid any adverse effects on plants. Embracing this eco-friendly elixir can contribute to the overall health and vitality of your green companions, making hydrogen peroxide a valuable addition to the toolkit of environmentally conscious gardeners.